Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wrike request forms and intake workflows step by step clearly. Open your Wrike dashboard. Navigate to the requests section located in the left sidebar. Click on Create a request form to start a new form. Choose a relevant project where you want the requests to be directed. Give your request form a descriptive title that clearly indicates its purpose. Start adding fields that users should fill out when submitting requests. Select field types such as text boxes, drop-down menus, checkboxes, and date pickers as needed. Ensure each field is relevant to the type of information you require. Make fields mandatory if they are essential for a complete request. Add a description for each field to clarify what type of information should be entered. Arrange the fields in the order you want them to appear on the form. Click on Settings to customize the form's appearance and behavior. Decide whether to allow users to view existing requests. Enable notifications to keep stakeholders updated on new requests. Save your changes to finalize the request form. Test the form by submitting a sample request to ensure all fields work as intended. Once satisfied, share the form link with your team or relevant stakeholders. Now, it's time to set up the intake workflow you'll use to manage incoming requests. Go to the Workflows section in your Wrike account. Click on Create a new workflow and give it a unique name. Define the stages of the workflow, such as pending review, in progress, and complete. Set criteria for each stage. Assign team members to each stage to clearly define responsibilities. Select notifications and reminders for each stage to keep everyone informed. Click Save to store your new workflow settings. Return to the Requests section and link the newly created workflow to your request form. Customize the workflow options to ensure they align with your team's processes. Confirm that all settings are correct and finalize the integration. Monitor incoming requests through your newly set up system for efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.